I would like to advise COMELEC now, hindi ko na lang hintayin dispose of that Startmatic and look for a new one that is free of fraud. Kasi ang liberal, sabi nila, nadaya sila. Ako, sabi nila, nadaya rin. And you know, it's creating an environment of hostile attitude against that Startmatic. You have 3 years. Kakatapos lang ng eleksyon. Palitan na ninyo. Kasi it is no longer acceptable to me, to the people, and even to the congressmen who are here. Anything that promotes cheating, why are you insisting sa Smartmatic? Because bidding? Kaya yung bidding, alisin talaga ninyo yan. I'm telling you. Yung boto ng Pilipino hindi na bibilang ng totoo. So, live man ito ngayon. Sinasabi ko na sa inyo, ang tao ayaw na yung Smartmatic. And if you use that in the next election 3 years from now, I don't know what will happen. Something has got to give. Improve on the system, stop using Startmatic kasi marami nang ayaw ko naman mag-attribute ng corruption. Kasi pabalik-balik na yan, bakit pasigi yung Startmatic? Hindi naman nagbibilang tapos na pag ganun mo nasisira. Pag pasok mo sa boto mo, pag ang labas picture na X-rated. Ang nasabi ko na, kindly, I am now asking you as a co-equal body. It's just promoting turmoil. Please do not use it. I was intending to give it to you sa SONA, pero mas tigas pa ito sa SONA.